Hey, so I want to show you how to use the Boards app to post on your stories if you want to. So if you click on the Boards app and you click on interactive posts, you'll see you have a bunch of interactive posts. Now, I don't know if I suggest necessarily doing a lot of these on your stories. I think they work the best in a VIP group personally or on your wall. But you could have good success with stories. So basically you're going to, let's do this one. Pick an image and you're going to click on this arrow with the little square pointing on the top. And you're going to click on Facebook, and it should give you the option to do either your news feed or your stories. So if I click on stories, basically you're just going to click share to story. I'm going to change it to, we'll just keep it that way. I'm not going to do it because I've done a few of these videos, so I shared a bunch of things, but you're just going to click share to story and then it will share it to your stories. If you have an Android, you can also use this way to share to your newsfeed or a group. So when you click on here, it's going to share either to your newsfeed, or you can change it and choose, instead of newsfeed, you can change it to a group and do like your VIP group. Definitely keeping change for payphones. So I do recommend when you guys post these, put your own thing in there, just because, and post. So that is just an additional way that you can share these if you have an Android or if you want to share to your stories.